Hi, Fres teachers. Happy Tech Tuesday. Today for Tech Tuesday, I plan to talk about creating discussion posts for your students. A discussion post is a great way for your students to interact with one another, and then I've used them for homework before, and I've used them in my classroom. So if you want to create a discussion post, you can go ahead and click into one of your courses. I'm in my science course right now, and I will click Discussions. Once I'm in Discussions, I can go ahead and click Add Discussion. And then once I add a discussion, what I like to do is I like to put my question as my topic title. So I'm going to say, how are the Earth's spheres interacting? And then I can say kind of the directions. So I might say, please respond to this question. After you respond, you can reply to one of your classmates. And then you scroll down. I want to scroll down and make sure that it's in my science course. I do like to make sure that students can only see their peers' posts after they reply, so that they don't respond off of each other's answers, and they create their own response first. And then I will allow them to like each other's posts if they want to. And I will click available from, let's say, today, and then until tomorrow. And I can go ahead and click save and publish down here. If you wanted to create one beforehand and you don't want your students to see it yet, you can just click save. But I'll save and publish because I want my students to see it today. And then after that, here it is. They can reply when the students, it'll look like this for them, and they would click reply when they're ready. Before I go, I do want to quickly show you what a discussion post looks like that's already been started. So if I scroll down, this is one that my students did last week, and you can, or maybe 2 weeks ago, and you can kind of see how they have responded to each other and created their own response too. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, come see me. I love to talk about Canvas and how you're using it in your classroom. Have a great Tuesday.